Yo, what's up? Ricky Sanders here. If you live for fast cars, greasy hands, and solving problems under the hood, welcome to your new favourite spot. I'm all about real fixes, no BS, and showing you how to keep your ride running like a champ. So go ahead, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and let's make some noise in the garage. Enough talk, let's get wrenching.
Compared with old cars, new cars differ in the design features of individual assemblies. Every year, modern and leading manufacturers improve not only car models, but also take into account other important elements related to the parts. With the advent of the latest innovative technologies, many things have changed. Modern machines are gradually shifting to alternative source of energy, as a result of which a lot of cost efficiency can be achieved. In this article, we propose to examine the types of internal combustion engines. In order to learn what types of car engines exist, it is necessary to carefully read the article and listen to the advice of professionals. First of all, you should familiarize yourself in detail with the features of the internal combustion engine. The engine is a device that is converted into mechanical work in the process of combustion of fuel. Each automobile engine performs work exclusively on the cycle, which consists of 4 phases. The gasoline engine is very popular. This common type of engine has a special design, which is characterized by reliability and durability. Everyone knows that gasoline and its variety is the most common and available source of energy. Such a powertrain is implemented with sophisticated innovative technologies that distribute the phase and provide electronic control of fuel injection. Repairing this design will not require you to spend a lot of money and effort, as the process is quite easy and simple. A modern unit functioning on gasoline has a certain advantage. That is, there is an action of ignition of fuel-air mixtures by means of ignition of spark plugs. However, the fuel supply system is divided into several main categories. Consequently, gasoline is mixed with air in the carburetor device. The process is carried out through the intake pipe. Such engines are distinguished from other units by their special economy. Injection engines supply fuel with the help of an injector. The fuel enters the intake pipe. In this unit, the power is increased to the maximum and, accordingly, hotter fuel is consumed more economically. Naturally, the toxicity of the exhaust fuel, gas, is reduced. This process is carried out due to the fuel supply. The process of energy supply is under the influence of specially installed electronic systems. In the diesel device, the fuel mixture is ignited by interaction with air. This process takes place when the temperature rises when the fuel is compressed. Comparing a gasoline engine with a diesel engine, it can be clearly said that the ratio of economy reaches from 15 to 20%. When a diesel unit is installed, the combustion of the fuel-air mixture is improved. The absence of throttle flaps contributes to the creation of air movement resistance when the intake process takes place and, accordingly, increases fuel consumption. The gas unit is considered compressed natural, generator, and liquefied fuels. The common engine and other types of aggregate ensure that the vehicle is environmentally friendly. In some cases, gas is stored in a special cylinder that gradually loses pressure as it enters through the vaporizer. The gas system may not even be used as part of the evaporator. Older diesel designs are less economical and practical. Compression power is 1.5 times more. There is an increase in cylinder pressure. Early models are too noisy due to the fact that the fuel burns. There is also a smaller crankshaft revolution. Now you know all the types of car engines that are most in demand and popular. What are the new and modern types of engines other than diesel and gasoline engines? However, at the same time, its width increases. Each cylinder of this unit is located in 2 different planes and is labeled V. Basically, 6 and 8-cylinder engines are equipped with this model. The camber angle of the opposition engine is 180 degrees. As a result, the height of the engine is considered to be the lowest. The camber angle of the VR engine is approximately 15 degrees. Due to these parameters, there is a reduction in both the longitudinal and transverse size of the engine. For example, the W engine is equipped with two layout options, that is, the content of 3 cylinders and a large camber angle. Compact cylinders are available in the W8 and W12 series. Mention should be made of horn-shaped and star-shaped units. For example, a star-shaped unit is otherwise known as a radial unit. The internal combustion engine has cylinders arranged under radial beams. The crankshaft is surrounded by weighted cylinders, which pass through equal angles. The short length of the unit contributes to the convenient placement of a large number of cylinders. This unit is mainly used in aviation. The horn unit is characterized by the rotation of the cylinders. The cylinders, on the other hand, are presented in odd numbers. They also include an air screw and a crankcase. These products are attached to the engine frames. Horn units were widely used in the military period. Main parameters of the unit's new types of engines have special parameters. The index of engines is determined by the force that carries out the action in the cylinder. Accordingly, this action takes into account the ignition and power supply system of the unit, as well as the degree of wear of each part. In conclusion, the world of modern engines is diverse and continually evolving. From traditional internal combustion engines to innovative electric and hybrid systems, each type offers unique advantages and challenges. As technology advances, we can expect even more efficient and sustainable solutions to emerge, shaping the future of transportation. Understanding these varieties not only enhances our appreciation for engineering but also informs our choices as consumers. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of modern engines.